Hello children, today I am going to introduce you the verb agreement with the subject. Let us study the rules at first. Rule 1. The subject is in the first person. First person means I and we. The verb must be in the first person. If the subject is in the second person, you, singular you, plural also you, the verb must be in the second person. If the subject is in the third person, the verb must be in the third person. Let us see some example. I go, you come, she eats. I go, it shows that it is in first person. You come, second person. She eats, third person. Let us study the second rule. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Let us see some examples. The child is crying. The child singular, so singular verb is used. The children are crying. The children plural, so plural verb are. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. The king is rich. The king singular number, so singular verb. We are poor. We plural are plural verb. This boy is poor. This boy singular is also singular. Some boys plural are plural. Two or more singular subjects joined by and usually take a plural verb. Ruby and Tina are clever. These two are singular. It is connected with and joined. Here this verb are used. So here two or more singular subjects connected by and used by this plural verb. The old lady and her son have nothing to eat. But there is some special cases also. If two subjects joined by and refer to the same person, if it is explaining about same person, the idea or thing. If two subjects joined by and refers to same person, idea or thing, so there we are using singular verb. Slow and steady wins the race. So here explaining about the race, slow and steady related with this race. So here we use the singular verb. My friend and guide. This friend and guide are two times for a same person only. So here we used this as singular verb. When two subjects join by and are preceded by each or every, the verb must be in the singular. Each day and each night reminds me of my friend. Here we again use that singular verb. Every boy and every girl was punished. That punishment same for that every boy and every girl. So that is why here we use singular verb. If two nouns are connected with, as well as with, together with, or in addition to, the verb must agree with the first noun. The hen with her chicks was sitting in the box. Here the hen singular with her chicks was sitting in the box. The teacher as well as his wife has come to see you. The teacher singular. So here the verb shows that agreement with this first word, the first noun. When two or more singular nouns are joined by or, nor, either and neither. Neither my father nor my mother is well. So here both is well. So that is why here we use is. Either Nirmal or Raghu has done it. Here we used singular verb. If one of the nouns is singular and the other is plural, the verb must be plural and the plural subject must be placed near the verb. Neither my father nor his friends have come. Manu or his friends have done this. If the subject joined by are, nor are of different person, the verb agrees in person with the nearer one. Either she or I am mistaken. Here verb agreed with I. Instead, if the sentence may be like either I or she, then here we will use she is mistaken. So here that verb shows agreement with the second word. Neither you nor he has understood it. Here this verb shows agreement with the second word he. Here two nouns connected with as well as with, together with, are. In addition to, it shows that agreement with the first noun. When a plural noun comes between a singular subject and its verb, use the singular verb. Each of the boys was given a prize. One of his sisters is very beautiful. Here verb shows agreement with this each and one of. Here it considered as singular only. A collective noun may take a singular or a plural verb. It takes a singular verb if the group is thought as a whole. It takes a plural verb if the individuals of the group are thought of. The class was punished. The mob has dispersed. In these two cases, we use singular verb because it is considered as a single one, whole. Here, the crew were rewarded, the police were asked to show. Here in third and fourth sentence, here considered individual persons. That's why here we use the plural verb. Some nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning take singular verb. Politics was his last resort. Here this politics, mathematics, they are subjects, they are considered as singular noun. So here we will use singular verb. Politics was his last resort. Mathematics is his favorite subject. When the subject is the formal introductory or the verb agrees with the real subject that comes after the verb. There is a boy in the class. Here considered only one, a boy is. There are beautiful flowers. A number of flowers are there. Here we use are. A lot of and plenty take a plural verb when they denote number and a singular verb when they denote quantity or amount. A lot of people were present. Here a lot of people. Here individuals separated. So here we used that plural verb. A lot of water. Now it is considered as together as a single one. Has been stored. Has singular verb used. There is plenty of time. Time considered as one. There are plenty of eggs in the basket. So here number of one. It is considered as a number of one. A number of takes a plural verb. There have been a number of thefts in this area. So have been a number of thefts. A number of books are missing from the library. Here more than one. Here considered as a plural subject. That's why here we use a plural verb also. Many a takes a singular verb. Many a man tries but none succeeds. Here many a men. When is that sentence start with many a? So here we consider as a singular one. So we will use a singular verb also. Many a bird is seen here, but peacock is the showiest of all. 1/3, 2/3, 1/5, 3/5 are fractions. A fraction represents any quantity, amount, area, time which cannot be counted. A singular verb is used. If they represent number which can be counted, a plural verb is used. 2/3 of the city was in darkness. Here it shows the area. So that is why here we used a singular verb. 1/5 of the people are illiterate. Here number shown. So that is why here we use a plural verb. Thank you for watching this video.